This is the job whip. It shows you all of the jobs. I'm about to go and do a batch update and batch print to show you how this works. So the batch update, I select batch update from the footer. I select the jobs I'm going to find. I want to find all the jobs that are in production for a customer. So it's the client company, it's a demo client company. I'm going to change all of those to be dispatched, and this will actually perform the dispatch action on those. So if I hit the search button, it'll do the search and it's found 23 orders that match that criteria. I can search again to find a different search. I can remove some out of the found set if they're not suitable for the found set, or I can process them. So I'll process these, and you will notice that it's processing these. It tells me how far it's got through the progression. It's actually changing the status and reducing the inventory levels for all of the line items, for all of the bins allocated to those line items for each of those jobs. So it's processing 23 jobs in one hit, and it gives me a progress bar to let me know how it's going. So instead of dispatching jobs individually and updating the inventory, this will do all 23 of them in one go. After I've dispatched the jobs and the inventory's been adjusted, it now tells me that they're all done. There was in actual fact one error in amongst that. Obviously not a fatal error, but all the other ones are okay. Otherwise it would be red and it would say there was a problem. So that's good. I can actually view the errors to see if there are any, what they say. I won't actually bother doing that, to tell you the truth. What I'll do is to do the second stage of this process. The second stage is to go back and find those same orders. So the company was client co, and the status of the orders was dispatched. So now that they're dispatched, what I want to do is search for those. Actually, I'll probably get more now because I moved some into dispatch. So there's 217. So that's probably not a very good example. What I might do is do a search on client code but a different status. Let's go and look for the ones which are approved. Okay, that gives me a set of 17 records, which is a more sort of realistic number. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of those with this selection choice here, and I'm going to do a picking slip for all of those. And there is the picking slip that's been generated, and I can print this picking slip out to a print document, or I can PDF it, save it as a PDF. I'm actually doing this in Chrome. You can work in Firefox, Chrome, IE, it's all the same. So there's the document. Notice that this document has got barcodes on it, so the actual process of picking and so forth can be controlled by a barcode. So that's it, batching jobs from one status to another status, and batching the printing up of jobs.